The movement of an electric train is a lot like playing a violin. Just as creating a beautiful piece of music needs a smooth movement of a bow on the strings of a violin. An efficient electrical transportation network requires a perfect connection of the pantograph to the catenary. PANTOhealth's main task is to achieve this through its hardware and software innovations. PANTOhealth's hardware products monitor all system parts, such as the vibration of the pantograph, the height and the stagger of contact wire, and also its thickness. Then the train's digital twin will be created based on obtained information by an analytical model and delivered to the user through PANTOhealth software. This live dashboard identifies the possible problem, locates it, and calculates the best time for maintenance. The digital twins created by PANTOhealth, which increase in number every time a train passes through the track, will significantly reduce the time and cost of maintaining the electric transport network. This way, PANTOhealth ensures that electric transport network's music is not only tuned, but played like a glorious symphony. PANTOhealth.